Hey dear friends, I hope you will be fine and enjoying your good health. Those who are new, I warmly welcome from the core of my heart. I want to introduce myself for those who are new. I'm a Sabir Hussain, PhD student in the City University of Hong Kong. Before going to start, today in this video I'm going to introduce you about the online application submission for Hong Kong PhD fellowship scheme. So there are basically two rounds. First, you need to submit your application for the Research Grant Council, and the second one, you need to submit your application to the concerned university. So let's start by sharing the screen so that you can understand in a bit better way. Okay, let's start this screen. Okay, here you can write Hong Kong PhD Fellowship Scheme. Okay, let's start. And here you can see Hong Kong PhD Fellowship Scheme CERG1. So you need to click on this. Okay, so this is basically official link open. So these are basically eligible universities, and this is basically fellowship award. So they are offering a very huge amount. So you need to click on the application procedure. So here you can see you need to submit your initial application link. So you need to HKPFS Electronics, you can link it here. Okay, so here you can see like submit initial application, Hong Kong PhD fellowship scheme. Okay, so you need to submit initial application form here. Okay, click on this, and then afterwards at the end of this you can see initial application form. Okay, so this is the basically form. You need to click on this, okay, and you need to write surname first. Like my surname is Hussain. Okay, and my given name is Hussain Sabir. Okay, and name in Chinese, we don't have any Chinese name. Date of birth, so you can write animal. You can write obviously correct one, and I'm just fulfilling, like in case of mine, 11/2/1995. Okay, gender male. You can select, because this is international scholarship, so you can select anyone. Like in case of mine, I'm from Pakistan, so I need to write it here, Pakistan. So for numeric digit, please be careful. Here you can see first numeric digit, not other one. So you need to write, like my numeric digit is this one. So email address, right? You need to write it email address here. Okay, so country code, you need to write country code 92, area code 304, and number is 712005. And the preference one is like Chinese. Like there are 8 universities, so you can select anyone. Before submitting, you need to be careful, like your concerned department must be present in that university. Like in case of mine, I applied City University of Hong Kong, and then I applied here Department of Infectious Disease and Public Health. So, and similarly, program field of study is also. So you can select similarly, if you are interested in more than one university, you can select other universities, Chinese University, Lignan, or whatever you want. Okay, and research experience, like in case of mine, so I need to set here. Okay, and the keywords. Okay, you need to set keywords, only keywords, proposed keywords in 100 words, like equine influenza, like virology, molecular identification, sequencing, or something like that. So section C, you need to like, yes, I accept all this, I declare. So you can read it as well if you want. Okay, and click all this, click. Okay, and this is a source of information from where you heard. You can select anyone, or you can select more than one as well. Printed matter, whatever. Okay, and if you are applicant inside the Hong Kong, no, we are not inside. So if you are applicant outside the Hong Kong, then you need to, like, from where you are, like staff or student or something like that, and then you need to click submit. So this is they said, like, university of choice 2 is mandatory, please complete the relevant. Okay, so we need to submit the second university as well. Like in case of mine, I select, like, no, this already is submitted. Like I can select this one, Hong Kong Website University. faculty of science. So similarly I can select here biology. Okay, then and whenever we will click on this, so this is our first application is submitted. So you can see like you have obtained Hong Kong reference number, and my reference number is PF21960. Okay, so this is basically, so I, as you already know, the second round you need to submit it the concerned university separately. So I need to select it here. Okay, login, and then go to the there are basically different form. The first one is personal information. Okay, so you need to click on the personal information. Like in case of mine, as I already said, my EID, my passport number. Okay, and status like non-local. Okay, my date of birth. Okay, nationality Pakistan or something like, you need to address, or then overseas because we are from off. So similarly district, whatever you know, from country. Okay, and then email. So after filling this, you need to click in the next section, and then this is basically proposed candidature, like source of funding. Obviously if you are applying for Hong Kong PhD fellowship scheme, you need to select government funded, and if you are applying for other, you need like non-UGC, you can select non-government funded as well, but full-time. Okay, proposed area of research, like in case of mine, vector-borne diseases. Okay, so then afterwards you need to click the next section, and then academic qualification, like in case of mine, like I have completed Doctor of Veterinary Medicine and MPhil as well. So you can write like bachelor degree and master degree as well, and then go to the next section, and then professional qualification. Because I have completed Doctor of Veterinary Medicine, which is professional, so you can write a professional degree as well. But if you are like other like BS program, then you need to leave it blank here. It's not a compulsory. But then go to the next section, which is working experience. Because I work as research assistant in the University of Veterinary and Animals in Lahore, Pakistan, so I need it right here. But if you are if you have other than experience like job internship or something like that, you can also write it here because it's really good. English test and other then you need to write it here, like GRE, IELTS, TOEFL, or GMAT in any of these. But at least if you have IELTS, then it's really good, and 6.5 IELTS exam. Okay, and then list of publications. If you have list of like for your experience, I only fielded one, but I have like 6 to 7 publication. So you need to write it here by clicking on the add record, and then academic referees. So you need to write it academic reference here. So whenever you click on the add record, like my professor. So if your referee is assistant professor, associate, you need to click on the doctor. The name of referee, like in case of mine, Mushtaq. Okay, and given name is Hassan. Is, and post title is obviously professor. And then you need to write like University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, institution address, and email address. So whenever you will submit and write it here email, then automatically electronic link will be generated, and it automatically your concerned academic referees will receive this email, and automatically they will submit your academic reference report. And then you need to upload all your supporting documents, including your bachelor degree, master degree, GRE, or if you have, but if you don't have, it's not mandatory. Like IELTS exam, definitely 6.5, and other publications as well. And supplementary information for non-local, this is not relevant to us because this is only for mainland China, so leave it blank here. And then you need to click it here last. So whenever you will click, like afterwards you need to you can click on the checklist, like this one, you need to click all should be checked, and other one, the last one, you need to pay and submit. You only need to submit you only need to pay 200 HKD. That's not a big amount. So that's all for online application submission. If you have any other questions, please feel free to discuss with me. And thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe my channel. That's all. See you. Bye bye.